afternoon, explorers. We are here today in Animal Kingdom. Sorry, I was going to try and walk backwards. That would have been funny when I cracked my head open. We're in Animal Kingdom today, Explorer family. We're headed out to Rafiki's Watch. We're going to go and ride the train, get out there. We're also going to go into the gift shop right outside Rafiki's because we're here for Raya merch for our new giveaway. It's going to be Raya and the Last Dragon giveaway. It's going to be epic. It's also in conjunction with our 100th video. That's right. We're about to produce our 100th video later this week. So it's going to be a fun giveaway. It's going to be an epic giveaway. Let's get inside. Let's go have some fun. Come on. All right, we're about to get into the park and make our way up to Rafiki. So if you know the main gate at Animal Kingdom, we walked in and I said to them, okay, I haven't been to Rafiki's. Which way do we go? Jen points to the left, Bella points to the right. Well, here's the best part. They both go to the same place. You got to get to the Tree of Life before you can actually go another direction. So it was just kind of funny. Anyway, so once we get to the Tree of Life, then we go right or left. We'll see what the open debate is at that point. Wow, my hat is very faded. Might be time for a new hat. And there we go. Now we're back in Animal Kingdom. Before it was kind of like fake. Speaking of fakes, there's Wilderness Explorers copying Florida Park Explorers. That's a joke. Don't need angry hate mail. But we're going to get down to the Tree of Life. And which way are we going? We are going to the left. It has been decided. Okay, so for viewers of the channel, we've been to Gorilla Falls. I said we were going to come back and do Rafiki's Planet Watch. Today is that day. We're headed over there right now. So as you come around the corner, Wildlife Express. It's the railway station, Harambe Railway Station, to take us out to the conservation station. Looks like fun. I feel like I'm at a Disney hotel getting ready to go on a bus. So, here is the train station. They get you all loaded up. Look at that. This is awesome. So, here comes our train.
Platform 9 3/4.
You know, you just took my platform 9 3/4 joke. That train's a rockin'.
Oh yeah, it's a rocky ride.
Wow. So we're on the train. We accomplished going through platform 9 3/4.
You have to say 9 3/4.
9 3/4. And I forgot Hedwig. And it feels like I got a leaky bottle in my pocket. Anyway, so we're on the Animal Kingdom train headed up to Rafiki's Planet Watch. So let's see how this goes. Oh, we're going to Hogwarts. Never mind.
Hello there. Well, they had to do a Disney Plus promo. The floppy is right.
Yeah, this is like Big Thunder Mountain.
That's the Warthog building.
Yeah.
As we make our way to Rafiki's Planet Watch, keep an eye out for some of the exciting wildlife we might encounter along the way, and the highly trained specialists who care for it. From ostriches and rhinos to the mighty African
there's the tour.
species we care for here at Disney's Animal Kingdom.
That's pretty cool.
Some of the very same animals that inspired animated classics like The Lion King, The Jungle Book, and more.
Yeah, whiplash from it. Wow.
Looks like the Velociraptor cage from Jurassic World.
Yes. No, that's the cheetah house.
Same thing. Oh. Look, it even has the same metal bars.
Did you know Bambi was the first animated feature to bring live animals into the studio?
Oh, there's a rhino.
There's
rhinos.
modeled characters from the film.
Oh, there's the African elephant building.
Of their real-life
cool.
counterparts. Even with the latest
Oy,
advances in
oy.
animation, this tradition continues today as animators travel throughout the world to observe animals.
It'd be epic. The Raya giveaway. 100 video giveaway. So help us celebrate. 100 videos. Can you imagine we've done 100 videos?
That's crazy.
It's crazy. We just got off the train and we're now heading towards Rafiki's Planet Watch. Never been here before. They have, being my two Explorer family folks, whatever they're called. The people I love who are next to me on both sides.
And the day we came, what was he wrangling? Like some kind of like alpaca or something?
I think.
Yeah.
Wow.
It was
Oh,
like,
hold on. Rafiki, which way do we go? That way? Okay.
oh,
And there's little signs along the way. It's a nice little walk. Rafiki shows the way. So you come around the corner and you're not really expecting to see this. Like, this is crazy.
they have an animation experience where you could draw pictures. I guess the theme now is Raya.
Raya.
Raya, it's Raya.
It's Raya.
Really?
Yep.
Yeah.
Raya and the Last Dragon.
I guess you draw tuck tuck.
Tac Tac or the dragon.
So this place is cool. I wonder why more people don't come back here.
There's all the merch and stuff.
Love merch.
And then
Oh,
can you pet the animals? Yeah, you can.
oh. Merch, merch, merch.
Want a back and Moana.
Moana backpack. And merch, merch, merch. Hey, I know what we should sell in Florida. Sweatshirts. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, I love you. Okay, I just found my favorite shirt. But we're not here for me today. So, we have a giveaway we're announcing right now. The Raya and the Last Dragon giveaway. We have teamed up with Disney's Raya. You can check on one of our coming soon posts. But we're going to be doing a huge giveaway. We're going to show you the merchandise. Hopefully later today, or you can check Instagram a little later today. And you'll be able to see it. So, you start out there. They make you do hand sanitizer. You go into this little like hand washing studio, then boom, through the door, and you're out here. And you can go pet an ox's butt. I want to pet an ox's butt. Let's see what else they got.
Now, the animals
Sheep!
are less contained before they were pre-COVID.
What happened?
The animals are a lot more contained. They used
Oh, I'm sure they used to just walk around.
Oh yeah, it was crazy. Like I said, they were like wrangling them to get in the, because they were out of control. It's not doing what mommy said.
I love watching people as much as I like watching animals. So there's this guy right here. Look at him. He's nice and close. Hi, buddy. And he's just staring like, can I go through now? I want to go through this gate. I want to go through the cow scratcher. You got all these guys and their little habitat back here for playing. And donkey's making all kinds of noise. Oh, get behind those ears. Oh, there he goes. He's like, no, I'm taking off. Gotta love all the people making sure, or cast members, making sure they're protected. And Bella just running around wild, like the animals themselves.
The pigs were gonna fight, and then they stopped. It was pretty cool.
Hi. Hi. And my little animal wrangler just running around trying to pet everything. Look at her, sprinting back and forth. Bella, slow down. Hey, slow down. If you go up to him nice and easy. Super soft.
Like, pet me. Pet me.
Touch his horn. Yeah.
Watch his horn.
It reminds me of the Muppet Show.
That's funny.
You're very moo. Hello. Can I touch you, please? Can I touch you, please?
You want to go over and pet it?
Sure.
This kid is obsessed. I mean, this kid is obsessed with this cow. She wants to pet this cow so bad. She's walked back over there about 10 times. Yeah. This kid's afraid of thunder and lightning, but will walk up to any animal on earth. She's like, oh, animal? Yeah, I'll walk up to it. She's like, and there's another animal. More animals. And the pig's making his way over here too. He's like, oink, oink, oink. Here I come. Oink, oink, oink. Here I come. Listen to him. He's making all kinds of noises. He's like, hey, roar, ronk, oink. Here comes the other one. He's getting fired up. Tail's going.
I really want to pet the dog.
They're not coming over.
You never know. And then in the back, there's a llama. So normally
We
they...
watched it, a gorilla surgery.
That's cool. So they have a theater over here. They must put on a stage over there. Or a show on the stage. Let's try that again. So when you come out, they have a hand washing station from touching all the animals. And now the next group, and this is how you go through. So now we're headed in. Wow, shop's already closed.
Yeah. They didn't have anything anyway.
True enough.
Oh, there, right there. Yeah, it is. Yeah. When you do the Wilderness Explorer thing, you have to, hey!
Hey, Belle. See the snake right there? Right there in the middle of the tree.
It's like wrapped around the tree.
See it in the middle? So there they are, stuck to the glass.
But the tail is like a leaf. It's really cool. Oh, here's a blue tongue skink. Ooh, that's a weird one. This thing's weird. It's like it just ate. It's very plump.
Looks plastic.
Right? Here's your shiny crocodile lizard in the water. Is Robbie sleeping? Here, right?
Yeah, he's asleep.
Wake up.
Dudley. Back.
Oh, there he is. I see him. Look at that underneath the log. In
It's
the
a
log.
golden poison dart frog. So this is their operation room. Wow. So MRI, surgical table, all the equipment. Looks like blood station back there.
Some, including our characters Tut-Tut or our trio on
Disney's legacy is unmatched, but especially when it comes
Yeah,
to
here's
one
full
thing,
lab.
adorable sidekicks.
Now I can't go too close over to the animation because I will get a copyright warning. So Rafiki's Planet Watch is awesome. Between the shop that we showed you when we first got here, the petting zoo area, then the inside almost museum slash reptile pavilion, I guess. Super cool. If you've never been out here, definitely recommend coming on out to Rafiki's Planet Watch. Take the train ride. It's really enjoyable. It's a nice walk. Super fun time. Come on out here. Bring the family. Bring the kids. Get out here. Do a little learning. Disney's not just about rides. About animal conservation. So now we're going to go jump back on the train. I guess that's what we're calling them. Jeez, I can't even think of what a train's called. And we're going to head on back. Who knows what's next? Stay tuned. Our train has arrived. So now we're going to jump back on. And we're going to head back to the mainland.
Him to send film crews across the globe to capture dramatic footage of wildlife in remote
Roger.
locations. Walt Disney's True Life Adventure series touched the hearts of millions of viewers, inspiring a spirit legacy of animal storytelling that inspired the idea of Disney's Animal Kingdom, a place that celebrates our deep connection with animals, the magic of nature, and wonder of exploration that comes from preserving and protecting your safety and the safety of those around you. You sit all the way back against the bench and avoid leaning out toward the railing.
There he is.
Remain seated until the train contact.
And we're back. All right, we're going to do Battle with Creature Comforts one more time, although the line is out the door. Wow. So we're in Creature Comforts because there's rumor of a new cupcake. I like cupcakes. It's a known fact. Oh, there's the Earth Cake Pop. Surprise, surprise.
Spring cupcake,
And there's the Thumper.
carrot cake with cream cheese filling and buttercream icing.
Wow.
You can get it at Creature Comforts, Animal Kingdom, and I believe also Flame Tree Barbecue.
Awesome.
This is a kiwi starfruit refresher. It's on their specialty menu this month. The pistachio is missing, so we're going to try this.
Sounds good. Big Guy's food review. Obviously starting right now. I could probably remove some of this garb. But it is time for Big Guy's food review on a cupcake. I can't wait to try it. This thing looks amazing. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's go to it. Nice save. So it's filled too. I love all these foodies that cut these things open and they're perfect. We demolish things. The carrot cake is absolutely on point.
Yeah.
The sugar on top is like ridiculous. The buttercream is like, it's good, but it's super sweet. The center's good. The crunchies are good. Overall, it's too sweet, but it's really good. So, carrot cake's phenomenal.
It's because it's so thick and sweet.
It's just, it's like packed on there. And then the chocolate piece was on the top. The one that's printed with Thumper was not great chocolate. But the carrot cake is phenomenal. So as carrot cake goes, it's phenomenal. But I would still go to Trolley Car and get the carrot cake cookie, which has the 2 carrot cake layers with the cream cheese icing in the middle. Blows this away, and it's only $3.99. Way better deal. So if you're looking for carrot cake, definitely go to Trolley Car. Definitely get that one instead. This was $5.99. It's the same as Tuk Tuk. Tuk Tuk blows this away. First of all, it's 5 times the value. And secondly, Tuk Tuk is way better. It's just a better flavor. It's better everything. This is a good carrot cake. It's a really good carrot cake. The rest of it, it's okay. I give this a solid B, B+. If the carrot cake were by itself and it had a cream cheese icing, it'd be an A all day long. Or a peanut butter buttercream would have been good.
With it would complement the
It would have
cream
been
cheese.
really, really good.
Absolutely.
So, but as it sits right now, B+, just because the carrot cake carried it. It was really that good. The buttercream and the medallion on top, and then the little things around it. It was cute. It looked really good. Decoration was an A all day long. Value, probably a C, and the flavor, probably a B. So, again, if you're looking for carrot cake, definitely get the carrot cake cookie. 500 times better and a better value at a $2 cheaper.
I thought it was
$3.99.
$4.99.
I think it's $3.99, but it might be $4.99. Either way, better value, better cake, better experience, better everything. Now I want one of those. So with that, Bella's Cake Pop was phenomenal as always. And how was your thing?
It's good. It's sweet with the kiwi. It's a little tart with the starfruit. She took it and she's like, I like it, and it was a sour face almost. But a little sour, but it's good. It's different. It's very refreshing.
Cake Pop? The reason she's giving you thumbs up and she's not saying anything, she just snuck some more cream off the plate with little sprinkles.
And there's green
She's
in her
down
nails,
there.
and that's how I know.
Look at it.
Actually, it was
That's what's left.
actually it was another half of a sunflower.
And there you have it. Another half of a sunflower.
Not a real one.
So we're headed out. We're going to wrap up right now. And we're going to be done for the day. So David and family from Florida Park Explorers saying, thanks for coming along. We really appreciate you guys sticking with us. We're about to make our 100th video. Who ever thought we would get up to 100 videos? But 100 video coming out this week. So stay tuned. Keep watching. We really appreciate the support, guys. And make sure you get over to Instagram where the Raya contest rules will be for an epic Raya giveaway. So stay tuned for that too. But with that, have a magical day. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please share the video. We need all the help we can get right now as we grow our channel. And again, thanks for watching.